Uhon na talaga ako. Inom na tayo tubig guys kasi tayong pinipirmahan, grabe.
Guys, buto na lang.
Dapat sabihin natin sa Logan, follow tayo. Logan, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? So what's gonna be this meeting about, Logan?
So today we are just signing up all the documents here, all the final documents because it has been approved. So you guys sign on the dotted line and then we will be able to start your building process. So the finance is all approved.
Shoutout nga pala kay Rohani Ismael. Ayan.
Okay.
Supportive talaga yung Tapos talagang kung subscriber ang usapan, talagang nanonood yan, hindi yung iba dyan. Hindi yung iba dyan,
Okay.
subscribe lang, hindi naman nagawa. Charot! Joke lang! Okay, and shout out to Angeline Magonles. And si Angeline yan, nag-vlog din yan guys. So, please subscribe to her channel. Yan, Angeline, thank you so much for your support.
Okay, shout out din kay Paolo De La Torre. Pinsan ko siya sa Middle East. Enjoy life and always take care. Si Arlene May.
Arlene? May cousin?
Nakasin mo. Arlene.
So,
Guys, meron siyang online store.
Meron siyang online store, Papa Alpha Online Shop. Si Mika lagi naman nagpapa-shoutout. O, ayan. Only shoutout, Mika Mateo.
Sino meron pa? Okay, shoutout din pala kay Star Kabanli. Kapatid ko, sa bunso namin. Star, ano naman yan? Matinding supporter namin yan.
And
Matinding
ang
follower.
number one supporter natin dyan, kilala mo kung sino?
Sino?
Sa inyo? Sino?
Si Mama. Sino?
Ate G.
Si Ate G. Okay, Ate G, shout out
Ate G.
din.
Yan.
Evangeline Kabanlit or G
Guys,
Kabanlit.
sila
Lagi
yan,
nanonood dyan.
pagka
Oh.
ano yan. Shoutout kay Ate Elena. So,
Napakabait na ano namin yan na kasama namin sa kids. Napakabait. Lagi yan nagbibigay ng mga pagkain pang kape. Ate Elena, thank you very much. Napakabait mo. So
yes,
thank you po.
Ate, thank you. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog! Okay, so for today's vlog guys, so this will be a house update. Ayun guys, so yan, nakaschedule kaming i-meet ngayon guys, yung aming broker. So we got approved by the bank na natanggap namin yung news na na-approve na kami ng bank noong December 31, pero hindi namin na-vlog kasi nga alam niya na, busy guys. Meron kami mga documents na pipirmahan para dun sa bank. So dito na kami. Actually, dito na kami sa building nila. Tara! Ang meeting namin is 5:30, so it's 5:27 na. Okay, see you later.
Okay, what's up guys?
Hi guys. So,
Update lang to guys sa
house namin.
Kaya natagalan kami guys na mag-vlog kasi hinintay lang namin yung approval ng loan namin sa bank.
Yes.
So na-approve na yun guys. Talagang tuloy na guys yung pagpapagawa namin ng bahay kasi na-approve na ng bank.
May finance na.
Oh, may finance na. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin namin, pipirmahan namin yung mga dokumento. We're gonna sign the documents.
Yes.
That's why we're meeting
With
with our broker. So itong building na to guys. So mimit na namin siya ngayon and then pipirmahan namin guys yung mga documents and then i-release na yung pera and then start na guys yung slab down. Paggawa na ng bahay. Okay? So ayun guys. So mimit natin ngayon yung builder na, yung broker natin guys. Okay? Oh, ayaw magbukas. 5 o'clock na guys, sasarang kami. Kanina nagbubukas para abutan kami alas 5 guys, kakakawento. Yun tuloy, hindi na buksan. Kaya tawagan namin ngayon yung broker namin. Okay guys, tawagan namin ngayon. Sumasagot. Alam ko kasi may meeting siya.
Check mo na lang kaya yung email.
Just call me. Hey, Logan?
Hey Alex, how you doing?
Yeah, we're good. We can't get in.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, wait for you here. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay guys, so yun, yung broker natin yun. So
andun na siya, ibig sabihin kasi.
hindi, kasi may meeting siya. May meeting pa siya. May meet siya ngayon.
Okay.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so Logan is here. Guys, this is a broker, Logan. Hey, Logan.
Nice to see you.
Okay, this is Logan, guys.
floor namin, kinukuha lang yung mga documents na pipirmahan namin. So, medyo mahina na yung boses natin kasi ang tahimik. So,
So what's gonna be this meeting about, Logan?
So today we are just signing up all the documents here, all the final documents, because it has been approved. So you guys sign on the dotted line and then we'll be able to start your building process. So the finance is all approved.
Just gonna sign the documents and then, yeah. In due time, we're gonna be doing this lockdown. Gonna sign the document now, guys. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, so this is the signing part. Cool. Ang dami naming pinipirmahan. Oh no! Signing a lot of documents. I'm so busy. So hungry. I just came from work, so oh my gosh. Okay, guys, check na naman natin mga document, guys. Documents.
So
Okay, so check documents.
you'll be living in the house.
Yep.
So for the first time homeowners grant, you have to, once the house is built, you have to live in it for. Mayang you there.
Okay, pirma na naman tayo, guys. Buti guys dito, hindi, they're not strict with the signature. Sa Pilipinas, nung bumili ako ng bahay, kailangan pare-pareho ng signature. Pag mali, uulitin. Di ba?
kahit may isang na ganun lang.
Oo. Tapos 3 yung specimen ng signature. Dito, walang problema.
2 hours later.
Is it finished or what?
Almost.
Almost finished, guys. Oh no! So like it's almost 30 minutes, I think. Just to sign the signature. Okay guys, so yun. So far, ang dami namin yung pinirmahan. Di ba? So guys, marami pang mga tanong dito kasi mayin kung matatax ba yung yung non-resident. Oh no! Kasi hindi pa siya PR eh. So
5 minutes later.
guys, masaya na siya.
7% foreign citizen stamp duty surcharge.
Yeah.
It doesn't apply to
Doesn't apply.
living in Australia on a partner visa.
Oh, 20. Kasi? Okay. Yeah. That's 14,000. 14,000. So 7,000. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay, it's good. So buti na lang hindi ako gubayad. All done.
Okay. So all you need to do is take this to the branch.
Una talaga ako. Inom muna tayo tubig guys kasi tayong pinipirmahan. Grabe.
Guys, buti na lang.
Bakit? Nabasa mo na naman na?
Nabasa ko na naman na hindi, it doesn't apply yung foreigner stamp duty. Kasi it's 7%.
Is that because like 820, right?
Yeah, because of 820. But,
So, pasalamat ka sa akin.
pero yun nga. So, buti na lang.
So, far, magaling yung namin. Wala kami masabi guys. We can't say anything against our broker and our builder. Si Nick. Shout out to Nick. Shout out to Nick of Affordable
Our
Living.
follower, subscriber.
Yeah, he's also like subscriber.
Yes, hi Nick.
So we should,
Shout out.
dapat sabihin natin sa Logan na follow tayo.
Shout out to Nick.
Shout out.
Shout out to Logan. And Logan, you need
Logan,
to subscribe.
Logan, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay? Okay, so, yun. Guys, binabasa pa rin niya yun. Talagang, kanina, maiyak-iyak na siya eh. Okay.
Guys, kasi kung hindi, mga 7K din ang babayaran.
Isipin mo guys, $7,000 lang. Pambayad ng stamp
Tax
duty.
lang yun.
Tax yun. Oh,
Sayang lang, dami mapibili dun.
kaya nga eh.
Pambili pa namin ng mga gamit yun,
Mga gamit yun guys. Okay guys, so we're almost done. Actually, we're done. Just having a bit of a chit chat. So what's next after this? Do we still have a meeting?
You're all done. You're all done.
You're letting us go now? Oh my god.
We're ready to fly off.
We're ready to fly off, guys.
You obviously can reach out. I'm here for the whole time. So if you have questions as you go, if there's anything that doesn't seem quite right, or anything you're having trouble with construction payments or anything like that, just give me a shout and I'll sort it out for you.
Sure. Thank you very much, Logan, for helping us through. And then so guys, finally we've signed the document. So these are the documents, guys. So these are all the bank documents that we've signed, and
Yeah.
we're just gonna give it to the bank and then verify our identity, 100 points identity, and then yeah, they're gonna release the money. Should be all good. Thank you so much, Logan.
Thank you guys. Congratulations again.
Okay, it's highly recommended, guys, Logan. Okay, thanks, Logan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can't wait for the slap down. But we have to settle down first to drop it to the bank. Okay, thanks, Logan. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay, so yun na, napirmahan na namin. Ibibigay na namin sa... I-drop off namin to sa bangko. After that, guys, magmi-meeting ulit kami. At urgent na rin, meeting na kami sa builder.
Sa mga suppliers.
Sa mga suppliers, sa builder para
Diba yun
sa
yung
color
kinuwento
selection.
Kinuwento na natin sa kanila yung dati. Kailangan pupunta ka sa ano.
Yung anong klase ng tiles.
Yung mga carpet,
klase
ganyan. Ito ba yung gusto mong carpet? Tapos tiles dun sa mga common areas. So parang ganun. So dapat alam na namin kung anong gusto namin dun.
So guys, abangan nyo guys yung update. So very excited kami guys. Salamat din sa mga sumusubaybay dito.
Yes.
Okay guys, so yun. So abangan nyo kasi mas magiging exciting na guys yung susunod kasi nung una siyempre medyo boring. Pero ngayon guys, pag once na na-settle na to, ma-release na yung payment dun sa builder namin, mag-i-start na sila mag-build doon, mag-i-slab down na sila. Makikita nyo, maraming ilalabas na yung mga construction materials and then gagawin na yung bahay. Abangan nyo guys.
So pag nag-start kasi yun guys, syempre visit tayo dun.
Visit
Kahit
tayo dun.
every week, visit.
Yes.
Oh. So yun lang guys. So
Okay.
this is just an update guys dito sa aming house tour. Ay, house tour.
Grabe, gawa na agad.
Dito sa aming house project.
YELEX
House.
YELEX
House Project Series.
Okay.
Ano ba tawag natin dito? House. Basta ito guys.
Basta YELEX House.
Sa YELEX sighting house namin guys. So, ito yung update lang namin. So,
Ang susunod namin guys, dadalhin namin kayo, isama namin kayo sa pagpili namin ng kung anong klase ng tiles, anong klase ng carpet,
Tsaka yung
anong
pre-start.
kulay. O, tapos pre-start.
after nun guys, pre-start na. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy
Meeting,
na to, guys.
meeting na with the builder. So, tuloy-tuloy na yun
this
guys.
is it, guys. So, yan. Okay, guys. So, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And
Yep.
if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do subscribe so
Mm-hmm.
you will be notified when we upload a new vlog. Like
Yeah.
this!
Yes!
Okay, guys.
Okay guys,
Thanks, guys.
bye-bye. Okay,
See
catch
ya.
you later.
Bye.
Bye,
See
see ya.
ya.